Hey y'all, it's Anya. Today I am unboxing and trying on the much anticipated second drop of Cardi B's collaboration with Fashion Nova. I am so excited. I just got this in the mail. It took one day to get to me. Okay? I'm not mad about it. I had to get some scissors to break into this bad boy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, so alright, so the first thing I got is this beautiful Mouse Still Say What It Wants To jacket in pink. I got an extra large because Fashion Nova sometimes be playing with my thick ass. First of all, this is supposed to be for girls for curves. I'm going to need you not to run small. Alright, alright, alright. Oh, she is pretty. Yes. Yes, come through, faux leather. Ooh, she a little stiffy. What's up with that? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Y'all see that? Don't worry, I'm gonna try everything on for y'all. This is gorgeous. Oh, cute the tag, Fashion Nova, Cardi B, LA, NYC. Cute.
Let's see, cute little bow ties in the front, buttons. They came apart pretty easily, go together really easily. The fabric feels good, nice and thick. It is lined.
I can't wait to try this on. Cute. Next up, what is this? Watch Your Man high-waisted skirt in off-white. I don't remember getting this. Hold on. Extra large. I really don't remember getting this. What the hell is this? Oh, I do remember. Of course I would forget. How freaking cute. Yes. I'm gonna be shaking in this, girl. I have been wanting like a cupped something for a long time, so I finally got it. Pretty. And last but certainly not least, everybody wanna beat this mini skirt. I got this in a large because they was playing with me. All of the extra larges and the Fashion Nova curved sizes of this sold out. When I tell you I got on that website like the second they said it was available, I mean the second. And still, most of what I wanted was sold out. And I didn't want to just get stuff just to get stuff. I wanted to get stuff that I actually wanted and that I'm going to actually wear. So I figured I'm squeezing my little thick stuff in this. Yes. And it's a large and it zips to open. I actually saw Cardi wore the white version of this to the party. Yeah, I can fit this. Put my little waist trainer on, snatch me in real quick. They ain't gonna know. They're gonna be like, what waist? Okay, cutie mama. This is too cute. All right, now you've seen what I got. Now you see it on me. Let's try this on. I like it. I love it. Want a bigger size of it. I love the color. I love the construction of the skirt. The only problem is I definitely needed an extra large, but that's totally 100% on me because I got the large because I just wanted this skirt. I wanted this color and I wasn't taking no for an answer. It only really works with it unzipped like this. It only really works with it unzipped like this in the front, which I don't mind because, you know, I like to have my little thighs out. But the back, I am going to need help zipping, so I'll do that when my boo comes home. And like I said, when I get my waist cincher on, it's gonna work fine. I like it, I love it. I can still groove in it, you know, I can still move in it. So it's not that big of a deal. And if you follow me on IG, you know that I am losing weight right now. I'm 10 pounds down, yes. Claps for me. When that starts to keep dropping, it's gonna be even better. So I'm glad I got it because I did want it. So let's move on to the next. Skirt dress. I thought this top would be cute with it. I was wrong, but don't worry about it. I love the way this fits. I have a bra on right now, and I'm not sure if you should or you shouldn't with this type of thing, but there's a lot of cuppage going on, so I'm gonna guess you shouldn't. Comment down below if you know if this is bra friendly or not. It feels not, or maybe I'm wearing just like the wrong type of bra. I love the way this fits. I love the color. If it wasn't sold out, I would go back and get it in black too, just because, I don't know, I want both. Like I have ideas for a black one, I have ideas for this off-white one. So we'll see if they do a new release and restock and all that. If so, I'm getting the black one. Cause this is cute, honey. I'm serving body, adi. And as I said with the last skirt, once I get my waist on, I always say that, and then I wear that thing like twice a year. But if I do get it on with this, hide your man, ladies. Hide your girls, fellas, cause I'm on the prowl. You know what I mean? I'm taking no prisoners. You know what I'm saying? Everybody can get it in this, except they can't. Everybody will want it in this, but nobody can get it in this. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so this is the jacket. Super cute. Take a shot for every time I say super cute in this damn video, because I'm overboard. Out in the water. Super cute ocean is where I'm swimming right now. But it's super cute. It's hot though. It's hot under these lights. So I'm a little bit sweating, but that's okay, you know, dewy look, that's fine. I really like the lining. The lining feels nice. Now, if you're like me and you're short, I'm 5'2", so I like to see if everything, even semi-long, a little bit long, can work as a dress. But while in the front, my mama would disagree, but I would try to go for it. Ooh. That ain't it, sis. So let me get some pants. I just threw a cute little skirt on under it that's also from Fashion Nova. I'll put it right here. The link of me hauling and trying on this skirt. Back to the main event. This jacket is so cute. So 360 turn for y'all. I love the puffed sleeves. I love the 3/4 length sleeve. I love that there's a little slit right there. There's just a lot of details with this. Pockets? Pockets! Yes! I love pockets so much. Oh, and they're deep too. Look at me. I'm almost all the way down. And also, I know this hand is not done. I'm doing a video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my new nail video coming out. I had to stop what I was doing to do this. So, that's deep, honey. And you don't know what I got in here? And snacks, a phone, makeup, a brush. What? You don't know. You don't need to know. You know what I'm saying? So my overall thoughts was my two biggest issues are, to speak proper English, I'm just German. My thick ass was a little too big for the large skirt, but that's totally my fault. I loved the skirt dress. And this is super freaking cute. I can't wait to style this up. I can't wait to wear this out. Back to my downsides. Downsides were I couldn't fit the damn skirt. Second, that a lot of the things that I wanted were sold out. Like, come on, it's Cardi B. This is the biggest female rapper out right now. You know the demand is high. The first run sold out. You would think they would have a little more in stock this time. So, also, I just thought of something else. Third thing, because I'm hot as a mother in this right now. It's summer. I live in LA. I know other places are probably a little bit cooler, but honey, I am hot. You know what I'm saying? Spicy mama hot tamale. I am burning up in this. But you know, it's cute. I suffer for fashion. Whatever. Pros, I love the colors. I love the styles. I love the fit of everything. But y'all know me. Y'all know I love Fashion Nova. I never have an issue with them. I never have an issue with quality, shipping time, response time even if I do have an issue. So comment down below what you thought of my pieces. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, big thumbs up and click the link. What am I talking about? Click the bell so you get notifications every time I upload.